And now, First Warn 5 weather with meteorologist Andrew Chung.
Hey everyone, so far things have been very quiet this evening on the radar, but boy, another scorcher this afternoon as we tied the record high of 97 in Harlingen and the record high of 96 in Westaco. Triple digits earlier today in Rio Grande City, and the heat does continue for the next 4 days, but a cold front finally on the way to the valley for next week. First of all, the temperatures right now, upper 70s in Brownsville, Harlingen, and Westaco, lower 80s in McAllen. Look at the humidity, 74%, and we've got winds out of the southeast at 10 miles an hour. It is going to be mild overnight. Tomorrow morning when you wake up, we're looking at temperatures in the lower 70s at 8 a.m. under mostly sunny skies, but we're back to the lower 90s at noon and mid-90s at 5 p.m. Not only hot, also humid, thanks to winds coming from the southeast. They've been coming from the southeast for today at the surface. That's why it's been so humid. At the upper levels of the atmosphere, we have a big ridge of high pressure aloft, a big dome of stable air. That's why it's been rain-free over the land areas. We cannot rule out a coastal shower, but it's a very small chance. And on land, it should stay dry here really for the next 3 days or so, but it stays hot. However, changes are on the way for next week. The winds will continue from the southeast for tomorrow, for Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday, but watch as this next cold front comes into Texas and finally gives us some relief by the end of next week. This front we're thinking should arrive here in the valley by perhaps Thursday evening. Ahead of it, there's not that much moisture associated with the front, so we're going to put in a 20% chance of some showers or thunderstorms for your Wednesday and Thursday, but it's going to feel much, much nicer finally behind that front for Thursday night and especially Friday and Friday night. And by Friday night, Saturday morning, we could be looking at temperatures in the upper 50s. Feels more like October, just in time for next weekend. High pressure builds in, much less humid behind the front for Friday and for Saturday. So again, if we can hold on just a little bit longer, it's going to feel nicer by the end of next week. On the water, we got winds out of the southeast at 9 to 14 knots. Bay waters are a moderate shock. Your next tide is a high tide at 2:20 in the morning, and the seas are 2 to 4 feet. So for your Saturday night, mostly clear and mild with a low temperature 70. The skies are mostly clear, but there is that chance for some patchy late fog overnight into tomorrow morning. Otherwise, for tomorrow, mostly sunny, more heat, more humidity with a high temperature of 97. So if you're outside tomorrow, please take it easy and drink plenty of water. Here's that 7-day forecast. So yes, it is a hot start for the first half of the week. Highs in the upper 90s Monday, mid-90s Tuesday and Wednesday. The morning lows are in the lower 70s. It's mainly sunny Monday and Tuesday. And then for Wednesday, we're going to put in a 20% chance of a shower or thunderstorm. Also a 20% chance of a shower or storm on Thursday, but the highs are in the upper 80s. And that cold front should arrive, as I said, by Thursday evening. So look at the temperatures, folks. By Thursday night, we should be right around 63 by Friday morning. Only 81, and they're the key words. Less humid on Friday behind the front. And if the timing is right, that means could be pretty nice for the games for Friday night. Look at the low temperature by Saturday morning, perhaps in the upper 50s with a high temperature of only 80 for next Saturday. I'm trying whatever I can to speed things up so it's next Saturday because today it was hot, but much better, we think, by next week.
Something to look forward to. Yeah.